I've been going over the records, as all of us are doing. I recall Mr. Mngomezulu, he was acting on behalf of number 2 then, of number 1, is that so?
Yes.
After you had withdrawn.
Yes.
And he said there's going to be a person who is going to give evidence on, if I'm wrong, you must all correct me, who's going to give evidence on his client's behalf,
yes,
to say that Longwe was having a fight with a girlfriend, Zandi.
That is correct, my lord.
And as a result, he had a gun, or a revolver,
Yes.
38, which he, I don't know why, he was going to use against the girl or whatever, but when the deceased was trying to separate them, a bullet went off and another one went off, and I think one of them, or the third one, shot Longwe through the chest. You remember that evidence?
I remember that evidence, my lord.
Now, when I asked Mr. Mngomezulu, which witness is going to say that? What is his name?
Yes.
Remember what he said to me? He doesn't want his name to be divulged.
Yes, he said for security purposes.
For security reasons.
Yes.
I read a case. You can't tell a judge that. I read a case that you are obliged to tell the judge.
Yes.
You don't have to tell the judge publicly. You can approach the judge in chambers. And you can come with your colleagues and you can write the name of the supposed mystery witness. And the judge will make an announcement that he has that name, but he's not going to publicize it. But you can't refuse to name that person.
So due to the delays of this case taking so many years to solve, so many of these theories have been cropping up from time to time, which brings us to this theory that was raised by a number of people and has been brought to court by Advocate Mngomezulu. The theory of a fight between Zandile Khumalo and Longwe Twala, then Senzo Meyiwa coming in to intervene. So Judge Ratha then requests to know the name of the witness who is going to come forward and give the version of these events to support them and say, yes, this is exactly what happened. But as you heard for yourself, Advocate Mngomezulu did not want to reveal the name of the witness, and Judge Ratha was having none of it. So on Advocate Mngomezulu's side, he may have been right because so many things have been happening to witnesses throughout the country in South Africa, so he wanted to protect this witness. So after doing some research, I then figured out that a judge is actually has a right to know the name of the witness. The reason is because for the judge to ensure that the proceedings are fair and transparent, especially on the fairness part. Because let's look at these examples. For example, Judge Ratha is then given the name of a witness of someone who was inside the house, maybe Twala or Khumalo. That evidence that will have been handed over to Judge Ratha will have significant weight because this is someone who would have been inside the house and actually witnessed these events happening, and it might tilt the case upside down. But on the other hand, if it's a neighbor, then it's going to lose weight a little bit, and if it was someone who was across the road, it loses weight even more. So from these examples, you can definitely see that Judge Ratha actually should be given the name of that witness so that he ensures that his ruling is actually fair. Because if the name of the witness is anonymous, then the ruling that will be given by Judge Ratha might be subject to hearsay, which is what we don't want. So on requesting the name of the witness, Judge Ratha is definitely on the right side. Another thing is that the defense team is actually there to prove to the court that their clients are actually innocent, and the lead investigator has a responsibility to confirm the alibi of these defenses if they are true or if they are statements and evidences that they are presenting to the court, if they are true. So if the team defense makes a claim in court and say, this is what a witness has said, the lead investigator actually has a responsibility to investigate these claims. So this is also one of the reasons why the name of the witness should be revealed, so that the investigator can go ahead and verify this evidence that is being presented to the court. But this case has been very, very sensitive, and there are a number of witnesses that have left us. So this is why Mngomezulu wanted to conceal the name of the witness. So in summary and analyzing, the name of the witness can be hidden from the lead investigator, but to the judge it should definitely be revealed to ensure that the final ruling is fair. So tell me what you think in the comment section, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.